Ty, I can't believe it's finally our turn. We've waited patiently for this moment, and I feel so incredibly blessed to be standing here with you by my side, surrounded by our family and our friends. I'm not sure how I got so lucky, but I will cherish this feeling and hold this memory near and dear to my heart forever. These past 6 years have been everything and more, and I can't wait to continue our love story and build so many beautiful memories as we do life together. Know that you can count on me to love you unconditionally every single day for the rest of our lives. I promise to always be your teammate in life and encourage you with all of your hopes and dreams. I will work tirelessly at keeping our love young and exciting and promise to make you feel cherished and loved. I will always support you no matter what, in both good times and in bad, and take care of you in both sickness and in health. I promise to never go to bed angry and always communicate openly to get through anything and everything. I will always be there to put a smile on your face with my goofy ways and give you a good laugh with my corny jokes. I will work hard on being the best version of myself so I can be the best wife possible for you. No matter what comes our way, I will never give up and always believe in us. You're my forever best friend, and Tyler Tibbs, I'm never leaving our boat for as long as we both live. I'm yours forever and always.
Aubree, I stand here in front of you today because from day one, I truly knew that you were the one for me. I said try. All right, Aubree, I promise to show you the respect you deserve day in and day out, to challenge you to be the best version of yourself, and to challenge you while we will always work out together. Aubree, I promise to encourage you to seek out your dreams, no matter how big or how small they are. Open up, communicate on a daily basis, and always be there to get the things on the top shelf that you can't reach. Aubree, I promise to always be honest and never lie to you. Keep you calm when you get stressed, and always attempt to wake you up from your 9 p.m. naps. Aubree, I promise to laugh with with you and make you laugh as much as possible. Overuse the phrase, I love you. I mean it every time. And always kiss you goodnight. Aubrey, we've had an incredible journey together so far. I can't wait to call you my wife.
You may kiss the bride.